Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Oh. So Aquarius people, this is your current energy, 8 of Swords, and this is your partner's current energy, Justice card. It seems like you are being very fearful about something. You feel stuck somewhere in life. You feel that you cannot move ahead beyond this point. Okay, you feel that this is the end of my world. I can't go beyond this point. I can't do anything in my life. Okay, the moment I'll be out, or the moment I'll be step out from my comfort zone, then something bad will happen to me, or something. Okay, so it seems like you are being very, very fearful. You are being very, very you are resisting your growth, basically. All right. And with regards to your relationship, it seems like you want to move out from this relationship, but somehow you feel stuck in this relationship. This could be due to your emotions, this could be due to your energies, this could be due to XYZ things, I don't know. But yes, something is there in your life which is holding you back. You feel that your person loves you so much, you feel that they can't live without you, and this and that and blah blah blah, but the thing is that it's not the same case. The moment you will open your eyes, the moment you will get to know what they think about you, that won't be a pleasant moment for you. So I would suggest you to step out from your comfort zone and see what's happening around you, how people are seeing you. Okay, you need to get out of this comfort zone. On the other hand, we have Justice card. Aquarius people, your person is being very, very what should I say? They are being someone who is not entertaining anyone at this point of time. Okay, they are in a action mode, right? Because the sword tells me that the moment somebody comes up or somebody approaches to them, they immediately just cut them out from their life. They have this scale in their hand. That means if you want to talk to them, or if, for example, if somebody else wants to be free with them, or somebody wants to cross their limits, they immediately cut them out from their life, because they are somebody who is very wise, right? They know what should be the limit of the other person. And I feel that with regards to this relationship of them with you, they are being very, very protective. I would say they are being very protective towards you. Okay, they must be listening to so many rumors about you, that your person must be there could be a third party situation with your person. Your person must be going through or having an affair with somebody else, or they could be they could hear a lot of rumors about you. But the thing is that which is good for you is that they are not being somebody, or they are not acting as a naive. They are mature, they are wise, they have wisdom, and plus they have that authority to kick them out. I mean, those people who talk bad about you. Okay, so from your person's perspective, it seems like your person is very much into you. Now let's see, Aquarius, what is the mutual energy between you and them? The Creator. The Creator card tells me that even though you are being very fearful, you do not want to step out from your comfort zone, on the other hand, your person is protecting you, right? So it seems like your person is somebody who has been chosen by God itself. Okay, it's you who is being fearful, but on the opposite, your person is being very, very fearless. Okay, they know what their boundaries are. They know how people should treat them. Okay, they know how to protect you. So they are someone who has been chosen by God for you. Creator has chosen them for you, to protect you, to guide you, to nurture you. All right, now let's see, Aquarius, how your person sees you, what they are thinking, or what actions they are taking towards you in present, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. So the first card says existence. It seems like they see you as somebody who, even though you have not kept yourself in this position that you are strict to or stuck with some swords and you have closed your eyes or something, but the person who is with you, this partner, your partner sees you as somebody who is more inclined towards spirituality, who is more inclined in you know, who is more into the existence of this world, or you are being somebody who is just exploring the paths of life, that what is there for me, how I can improve myself, how I can improve, or how I can give back to the society. So for you, I mean for them, you are somebody who is very wise. They see you as somebody who is a mature person. All right, the person who knows his social responsibility, the person who knows their spiritual responsibility, the person who knows their responsibility in this world. All right, the change, the current action which they are taking towards you is trying to change your mindset, or I can say that some change is happening around in their life. There is some change is happening in their life. It seems like your person wants to take some action towards you, but now they'll be changing their approach. Okay, perhaps they had planned or they had prepared some different kind of approach to talk to you, but now it seems like they are changing their approach to come forward and talk to you. So some kind of a change I'm seeing there, and yeah, they must be talking to you with not upfront, I mean not upfrontly they are talking to you about certain events, but yes, somewhere somehow they touch your pain points. So that kind of a thing is happening around in their life. All right, the morality, the third card, the future card, tells me that even though how hard they are trying to be with you, even though how hard they'll be they'll be protecting you, but at the end of the day, somewhere somehow, being since they are someone who is on this responsible situation, responsible seat, or in this responsible energy, somewhere somehow they will feel that their hands are tied with the morality. They'll have to act according to law. They will have to act as per the situations, as per the procedures. Okay, it's not that they won't take action towards you, they will, but there will be some resistance from their end. All right, so Aquarius, it seems like some of you could be dealing with Libra. We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in this reading. We have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign in this reading. Okay, so Aquarius people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you and goodbye. And please do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much.